Oh no. Hala, I forgot how to own a Civic. Ayaw talaga. Step on me! Siya na rider. Ayan, suko na. I'm just talking, and if you're still watching, what the frick are you doing with your life? Guys, kulit kayo ng kulit na kailan next vlog. So, yan, mag-drive tayo. Kuha tayo ng kape. Chug! Click! Chug! Okay guys, so today we're going to just drive and get Starbucks drive-thru. So this is our vlogging setup for today. Hi vlog, this is you. Okay, so we have our regular cameras, we have the GoPro and the Insta360. Since I know you like the 360 so much on TikTok, here, have a 360. Okay guys, let's go. Click, click. Braps, brap. One iced Americano with extra white mocha brevet on the rocks. Thank you, sir. Yeah. Okay guys, so for the past 14 days, I've been in isolation. Kasi masyado tayo naging positive, kaya walang vlog. But now, malayang preso na tayo. So we're gonna make a vlog, pero dito lang sa bahay. So first, we're gonna check if all the cars are still running because none of them have been used for the past 14 days. I hope they run. Then after that, we're gonna do the miscellaneous car stuff that I should have done 2 weeks ago. Okay, so let's go! Ay, umaandar pa pala to. Patayin mo natin. Yan, handbrake. Pintas. Ay, yung seatbelt. Okay, so let's start all the cars. We can start with the Civic kasi ito yung sure ko na magsa-start. Oh my god, sila pa yung door! Wait, tayo sa kabila. I forgot. So yeah, sila pa rin yung kabila. Oh no. Hala, I forgot how to own a Civic. Wait, again. Ay, okay. Okay. Ayan. Let's ikot tayo. Okay, we're finally in. So, since 14 days ang quarantine, 14 days din siya, hindi nag-start. Okay, again. Ay, okay, dito. Please start. Yabang! So yeah, our EG is really reliable. Ang yabang. I haven't driven yet, so I'm tempted to drive, pero since mabigat yung non-power steering, mamaya na lang. Let's start the other cars na lang muna. It's easier to lock it. Oh my god, bakit seat ang hirap? It's easier to lock than to, you know, open it. Lock this. Actually, hindi ko na kailangan ilock kasi hindi naman nabubuksan eh. Pwede na yan. Ipop. Dito ako kinakabahan sa Lancer. So, this guy, since it's carb, I'm very, very worried. Kasi 14 days nga siya di umandar. Moment of truth! So, di ba pag carb and matagal na tenga, nagdadry yung fuel. And the fuel pump probably will have a hard time. Let's see if it works. Ayaw talaga. Wala nang fuel sa carb to. Alam nyo, okay lang. Meron tayong secret weapon. Ano ba yan? Hindi ko mahatak. Ayun. Okay, so usually, you would take this out and put fuel here manually. Pero may secret weapon tayo, so we don't have to manually fill this guy up na. So it's this guy. It's a manual fuel primer, I think. Basta TLDR, it's a manual pump to put fuel there manually. So we just need to press this until it gets matigas. Okay, so we got this idea pala. Kasi di ba yung mga diesel have the same problem also. And it works for them. So in theory, it should also work for us. Okay, moment of truth. So guys, pakita ko na lang din since nandito na tayo kung gaano siya kabilis mag-start pag mainit na siya. Oh guys, tingnan nyo to 3, 2, 1. Wow! Race car! Starter. Okay, last but not least, our Mini Cooper. So, sa tanda niya, nasira na rin yung susi. So, you have to, you know, manually, hirap naman mag-film. Manually take the key out and open it. Like, oh, it's open. So, pag natatanggal yung Euro, talagang something breaks. I hope 2 weeks wasn't long enough. Ayan, wala naman battery yung susi. Okay, it's alive. So, one of our agendas today is to fix this. Para yung Civic na lang yung mahirap pasukan. Okay, so this is the key and here is our replacement battery. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Ayan. Okay. Then, I think remove the ring. Okay, there we go. Let's crack this open. Okay, so this is the battery that we have to replace. Ching! So, this is the battery we got from Shopee. I think we need to solder. Okay, here's our soldering iron. Let's begin.
Hey, Chini.
So guys, actually, hindi ako marunong mag-solder. So, yung brother ko yung gagawa. Thank you, Hans. This video is brought to you by Hans Jimenez. He is our sponsor today for soldering. Thank you. Okay, so napalitan na natin yung old batteries nila. Ayan. Okay, here it is. You have 2 keys. Moment of truth. Please unlock. Oh! Okay, try natin isa. Lock. Okay! Yay, they both work! Oh my god! Yeah! This is the first one. Dapat wala siyang warning light about the battery. Yay! It's working properly! Okay, the other one. Let's go! So far, there's no warning light. It means it's working properly. I'm super happy. Ayan, inabot na tayo ng gabi. But, you can wirelessly lock and unlock the car na. Haha! So happy. Okay, so since we're done with the difficult stuff of making sure all the cars are starting and running, we're gonna do the easier stuff. So, someone sent us a package and since nandito rin naman tayo, why not live stream it? So, this is our camera setup. This is for the POV, light, Insta360, and this is our TikTok live, which I'll start now. Boop. There we go. We're streaming. Hello guys. Oh, my broadcast is malabo. Okay. So if you're wondering why this vlog is kind of malabo, I'm filming live also. I'm live streaming here on TikTok. So we got this package from GarageSixTwoNine. And i-unbox ko lang siya. Here, this is the thing. Where is my cutter? Unboxan ko lang yung ref. Nandito yung cutter. Okay. So, this is the Andres pedal set. Ayan. So, we got it from GarageSixTwoNine. Ayun o, may pangalan ko pa. May pangalan ko pa. Given to Chini Jimenez. Fancy! Okay, time to unbox. So, it says do this. So, dito muna tayo sa vlog camera. Oh no, napunit ko siya. Dito muna tayo sa vlog camera. Ayan siya. May letter, certificate of authenticity, and installation instructions. It also comes with stickers. Dear Chini, thank you for being a bright beacon for the future of the car scene. I hope you continue to inspire us with your infectious enthusiasm and genuine love of motoring. Looking forward to seeing more of your misadventures on your vlog. and hopefully in person as soon as this pandemic is over. I hope you enjoy using these pedals as much as I enjoyed figuring out how to make them. Sincerely, Jam Jimenez. So yeah, Jam sent us these pedal sets. Hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan. Wait lang. Guys, medyo mahirap mag-reply sa comments kasi nagva-vlog din ako ngayon. Here we go. So it has the, yung fancy eco-wrap paper thing. Okay, so it comes in a fancy red pouch. Ayun siya. Naka-red pouch. And may other things, pero ito muna. Wow, naka-velvet pouch pa. Was it velvet? I don't know. So, GarageSixTwoNine, wooden logo. And CNC siya. Ayan, tapos may signature pa sa likod. Ito. JJ 2022. So, this is the gas pedal. And then this is the brake pedal. So, this is an automatic set. So, dalawa lang siya. So, this is the gas and this is the brake pedal. Ayan. Ching! And it's hand finished by Jam himself. So, 0 out of 10. So, yun nga. Prototype. And they look so good. And step on me! Ayan. Ang ganda! I'm so excited. And we have this envelope thing. I'm not sure what it is. Pero wow, the branding. Okay, these are the bolts. May isa pa na stock. Labas ka dyan! So, this is the hardware. Ayan, it comes with hardware na rin. Which came in a fancy envelope. And then, there's also a cute shirt. Okay, it's a army green shirt with a cat logo. And then at the back, it says, GarageSixTwoNine. We don't know what we're doing, but we try our best. So, ito siya. Cat shirt! Ayan. Tapos sa likod, the logo. I'm excited. I should probably wear this tomorrow to vlog ulit or something. And this was supposed to be for the Mini because the Mini is the automatic car. But, hindi ko alam. Baka may mas magayan siya in the future or something. Ayan. So, mine na kita! Oh my God. Sana may shoutout. Hello to Worcestershire Cross. Hello! Ayun! Thank you guys for joining my vlog, which I'm filming right now also. Nice, mine small. Oh my God, live selling. Now, we're going to do the sticker mods for all my helmets. I still don't know how we're gonna do it, but we will do it. You guys can help me out if paano natin ikakabit to. So, yung stickers from Sticko Manila na sobrang matagal na pending. Hindi ko nagawa, hindi ko makabit sa helmet ko kasi yung racing helmet ko nawala. Pero hindi pala nawala, ilang buwan ko lang siya naiwan sa racetrack. So, this one is an X-Lite. This is my motorcycle helmet. So, unahin natin to. This one is my Arai na GP6S. So, this one is for my car helmet. So, what's the difference between a bike helmet and a car helmet is, yung bike helmet, tingnan nyo, mas malaki yung visor. Yeah, carbon loading! Oh my God. I got this nung super pandemic. Somebody sold it for 15K. It was so cheap for an X-Lite. Yun nga lang, may makeup yung cheek. So, madali naman laman. So, this one, the car helmet has a bang for yung hands device. Ayun. Okay, so this is my dirty boy. This has been my racing helmet ever since. Uy, Queen Piggy. Okay, and then this is the Sticko Manila stickers. So yung nadikit natin na Megumin sa Lancer, yun yung nawala. Kasi nga, wala, nilipad siya. Wait, so we have Bunta, Takumi, ayun, Sukuna and Gojo, silang sa helmet. And then these guys, they're going on the EG. So guys, eto tayo. So this one is going on the Arai and this one is going on the X-Lite. So Gojo and Sukuna from Jujutsu Kaisen. Eto nang problema, saan natin ididikit? Okay, for the context of the vlog, I'm live streaming right now and they're helping me choose where to put the stickers. Okay, this one. How are we gonna stick it here? Or dito sa likod? Ganyan. Ganyan. Sa visor. Dito. Ayan, dito. Ganyan! Ryuiki Denkai. Ito. Dito, sa gilid. Kasi dito, ang daming laman eh. Diba? Dito, okay dito. Sige. Sure na tayo dito. Ow! Ow. Okay, we're okay! Okay, game. It's so hard pala to do this live while vlogging. No, huwag ka mag-wrinkle. Ay, okay lang, yung wrinkle naman nasa blindfold niya. Guys, mahina ako magdikit ng stick. I'm trying my best, but I guess my best wasn't... Is it DMCA ba ako nito? Okay, medyo may wrinkles. Because it's, bilog. Well, bilog naman talagang helmet. Okay na yan. Struggle! Actually, medyo wrinkled, pero pwede na yan. Okay, there we go. Our Gojo helmet sticker. Ayan. Mamaneho ka, biglang boom. Ryuiki Tenkai. Time to do the scary one, the X-Lite. Ito ang ididikit natin, si Sukuna, King of Curses. I was thinking, dito na kaya sa taas. Sa taas na lang kaya, para hindi siya masyadong... Kasi ang dami niyang X-Lite logo sa gilid. I don't really know where to place him. Sa visor! Ayan. Siya na yung driver. Siya na rider. Edi siya na. Ayan. Ayan si Sukuna. Ayan. Gambare. How about here? Are you guys okay with this one? Sa taas ng visor? Ay, taas tuloy ng visor! I mean, dun sa may... Ano ba to? Rear wing? Ganun. Actually, yeah, this is kind of cute. Okay. Yeah, sige, I'll do it. Try my best to get this one nice kasi this one is the carbon fiber. Ayun, mas maganda to kasi mas flat ng konti yung surface na to kaysa dun sa nauna. So, this one seems to be sticking better. Kamusta outside world? Hindi ko pa alam ano itsura ng outside world. Bukas pa lang ako lalabas. So, yeah, the vlog today is just me at home doing car stuff. Trying to do car stuff. Operant word, we are trying to do car stuff. Okay, we're just finishing this up. Ayan, ang ganda! Oh my god, this is nuts. It's centered! So this is the finished product. Ang cute kasi business in front, weeb at the back. Yeah, ayan. Si Gojo! Ayan, I'm so happy! Ayun. Thank you for joining my live while I do vlog stuff. Oh, ayan na. Meron na tayong vlog, So, this is my pambawi for the 2-3 weeks that I haven't posted anything. Ayun. If you enjoyed this vlog, like and subscribe. And follow me on my other socials, my Instagram and my TikTok for daily updates. And if you have a video request, comment it down below or questions. Yun lang. See you guys on the next video. Braps! Tututu!